The hard part was being the kid that got sent in first to calm mom down before you dragged in the actual banged up brother. Go tell mom. Oh, no. It's your turn. Oh. So you'd have to run in. Hey, mom. Oh, okay. Everything's fine. You know, she bought that. Yeah. Everything's fine. I just want to run in at full speed and, say hi and, oh, you know Kevin. Oh, okay, of course. Okay. Well, you know how, like, his right arm, usually it would bend like that? Okay, it's not bending like that right now. And it's no big deal because we already looked at it, but we were thinking, since you said that you had to go get milk later, if you just might want to take him to the hospital. And if you get peanut butter, get smooth.